Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Gemini AI Studio. Once done, create a new project and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Select the model variant that matches your needs, smaller for speed, larger for accuracy, and set the project's default language. Make sure to grant mic, camera, and cloud storage permissions now so the studio can capture inputs and save assets without interruption. Once your project exists, import your data or select prompt templates to jumpstart the workflow. You'll want to pick fine-tune or few-shot options according to training needs. Next, wire up input nodes, text, audio, and images, and set sensible token and rate limits so responses stay predictable. Configure outputs for the format you need, like JSON, plain text, or audio. Enable logging and versioning so you can trace changes and reproduce results when necessary. You finish by running sample prompts and live tests to validate behavior. Once satisfied, deploy to staging first and then production, making sure IAM roles and API quotas are configured. Monitor latency, cost, and output quality, and iterate on prompts or fine-tuning to improve results. If something goes wrong, like timeouts or odd outputs, check the studio logs, reset API tokens, clear cached prompts, or try.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.